Alrighty, this video is just meant to answer a couple of questions regarding my 5th gen taillights on my 4th gen Ram pickup. One question I always get now is what happens when you put those taillights in? Do you have any warnings, like lights that come up on your dash? And I go, yes, there definitely was. Now that the whole taillight's LED, the truck doesn't really know what to do, so it puts a bulb light out indicator. So you're easily able to program that out with an app called Alpha OBD. I did that with the tail lights, did that with the license plate lights, and I did that with the third brake light up there. Another question is basically about the harness I got. So the harness I got from retroshop.us, the same people I bought the tail lights from, and it comes with a 7-pin adapter, so it plugs into your trailer harness, and then also utilizes the pre-existing wiring in your tail lights as well. One thing I noticed is it works great. Except there's one issue. So right now, I put my signal light on. Signals all work and line up great, right? Excuse the brightness, but yeah. So yeah, that all works. It's all going at the exact same time. Now to make this setup work, and for the easy plug and play setup that they went with here, and to be fair, it is really easy. Just plug it all in, works first try. It has a relay built in the harness to switch between the brake light and the turn signal. Now this creates an issue though. So if I turn my turn signal off, put my brake on, 1 second. Okay, so my brake's on. Okay, so there you go. Now it's red, right? So if I turn my turn signal on, then it goes yellow. But if I have my brakes and my turn signal on at the same time, since there's a relay, there's a delay in the power, which kind of sucks. So you have this. So you have your turn signal going up front. Those two match fine. But as I get to the back, you notice the timing is out on the truck. And it's not just a little bit out, it's 180 degrees out. So it does look kind of funny at nighttime. But so I don't know, that harness is really nice because it's so simple to install, but you have an issue of that delay, and it only happens when you're braking and have the turn signal on at the same time. There is some people out there now that are custom making harnesses, just that don't have the relay. They plug in the same way as the retro shop harness, but you have to take your signal wires and you run them all the way through your truck and you tie them in to your turn signals at the front of the cab, front of the truck, and then it works fine. And those are actually cheaper than the retro shop harness. The retro shop harness cost me about $200 US, and I had to ship it all the way up to northern Canada. These other guys are charging about $100 on the 4th gen Ram forums. I'm sorry, I don't know their name, I don't have their information. Eventually I'm going to grab in that. But yeah, those are the main things, questions and concerns people have been asking me. But yeah, it just looks funny. That timing's all off, but yeah, so there you go. But that's my experience with the 5th gen taillights and my 4th gen Ram. And have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And have a great day.